Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Ring Floodlight not turning on with motion. First, take your phone and open the Ring app. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the main screen, select your Floodlight camera device. Once you are inside the device page, tap on Device Settings. Then go to Light Settings. Look for the option called Motion Activated Lights. Make sure this toggle is turned on. If it is off, the lights will not turn on when motion is detected. If the setting is already on, the next step is to check your motion zones. Go back to the main device menu and select Motion Settings. Then tap on Motion Zones. Make sure the zones are covering the area where you want movement to trigger the lights. Next, increase the motion sensitivity. In Motion Settings, find the Sensitivity slider. Move it to the maximum level for testing. This will make the device more responsive to movement. Walk in front of the camera again and see if the lights turn on. If the lights still do not activate, perform a power cycle. Turn off the wall switch that controls the floodlight for 2 to 3 seconds, then turn it back on. If that does not fix the issue, press and hold the setup button on top of the camera module for about 20 seconds to perform a full reset. Thanks for watching.